Train Buddies here. I'm Mike.
And I'm Chris.
We got the Chessie System Heritage Unit right back there from the Queensgate Yard. It's fourth engine. See them right back there? Are they moving? Oh, they're moving backwards.
Backwards or forwards?
Backwards. Into the yard.
Yeah, there they go. I was hoping they'd pull forward so we could see Chessie again. We got a little bit of footage before it got out of view.
Whoa, that's working hard. Hear it? I don't think they can see us.
There it goes, totally out of view. Anyway, we got a quick glimpse of the Chessie Heritage engine.
1973.
CSX1973.
Yeah. It's one of their brand new heritage units.
Yep. Awesome.
Second heritage unit on Train
Awesome.
Buddies. Got
Cheesy squeezy right back there. Just saw it.
Well, cheesy squeezy for the yellow on the Chessie system.
All right. Train Buddies out. There she is, Michael. Can't see much that way. Come back. Bonus train.
Bonus train for the Train Buddies. By the way, guys, we were just heading back from the Queensgate Yard after catching it and driving on the Wade Bailey. Saw a train. Now we're recording it. Wow. The other Train Buddy is driving. Well, maybe we'll catch it, maybe not.